guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be making my strawberry lemonade. So I got a lot of requests. People want to see this lemonade, people want my recipe, so here it is. We're about to have happy hour and my family requested lemonade, so I'm gonna give y'all this recipe. I'm gonna show y'all everything y'all need. Y'all can see, you're gonna need a strainer. You're gonna need lemons. I forgot I had these lemons in here. I just came home from Publix and bought these. Got the strawberries. We're doing strawberry lemonade. Honey. You need some sugar. A pitcher. And I'm also using my electric lemon squeezer. Talent fancy. Okay. So first, I want to start by cleaning your lemons, throwing them all in my strainer. Okay guys, so after you get done rinsing your lemons off, you're going to just take a napkin and kind of dry them off a little bit. Y'all, these lemons are really huge. Like, Publix always has really huge lemons. So I know they're always full of juice, and I may not need all the lemons that I have out. So now I'm taking my strawberries and I'm just going to sit those to the side in my strainer until I'm ready to make my puree. And we're just going to put everything else to the side, and we're going to get ready to start rolling the lemons and getting them sliced and ready for the lemon squeezer. So with my lemon squeezer, I'm going to be using a glass to catch that lemon juice because I'm using the extended pour handle on my lemon squeezer. Otherwise, it would just be filling up inside the regular pitcher that's made in it. I'm making quite a bit of lemonade, so I'm going to use something that's going to catch it because I'm making about 2 cups of lemon juice. So, yeah. So here we are. I got my measuring cups. I ended up changing out my other cup from the glass to a wider cup that would be able to catch the juice and not fill so fast. So when you do the squeezing, you just take it, you put it over the little squeezing part, and you press down and it automatically juices it for you. A little backstory about this lemon squeezer. My mom got this lemon squeezer as a wedding gift in 1982 and never used it, never been open, nothing. We were throwing everything away out of the house, getting ready to, do some new stuff to the house. We started getting rid of a lot of stuff. And we came across this lemon squeezer that she was getting ready to throw away. And I was like, girl, we are not getting rid of this lemon squeezer. I can make my own lemonade. And ever since then, I've been making my own lemonade. So my lemonade is so good. I'm not buying any more lemonade. I may buy some tea and make myself an Arnold Palmer, but my lemonade will always be freshly made by me because this lemonade is the bomb. The strawberry. I'm doing pineapple next. So if you guys want to see my pineapple lemonade recipe, let me know. Put that in the comment section. I will gladly get that recipe up for you as well. So now I'm slicing my lemons to sit to the side because these lemons are going to go inside the pitcher. And I'm also going to slice my strawberries too, to put some strawberries to the side as well. You'll see how it all turns out. It's gonna look so good. So now I'm making my simple syrup, and I'm starting off with 2 cups of water, and then I'm going to do 2 full cups of sugar. And I'm going to add a little more water after adding the sugar as well because you don't want it to be too thick. Now I'm going to add my honey, just a few squirts of honey. You do not need a lot of honey. I'm just going to do like a little whirl around, and trust me, that's all you need. The honey is the secret. That's like, you need the honey is a big deal. Okay, you need your honey. So you're gonna stir it around and get all that honey mixed up in the sugar, and you want to make sure nothing's sticking. You want to just stir it from time to time. You want your simple syrup to be completely clear. So now we're cleaning our strawberries. I'm getting ready to chop those up to make our strawberry puree. And then I'm also going to slice up some strawberries to put to the side to also put into the lemonade after it's made. So now we're making our puree for the strawberries. I got 2 cups of strawberries. I did 2 cups of water. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm going to blend it to puree the strawberries. And it's going to make like a little strawberry syrup kind of. So now we're going to pour the puree into a bowl with a strainer, a little mini strainer, so we can catch all of those strawberry pieces. And I'm going to take a spoon and just kind of stir it, in there to get all the puree, all the liquid out. You see, and then kind of mash it. You have to like kind of move it around to get it all out, but you just don't want any of the strawberry pieces, the mushed strawberry pieces to be in there. So now that our puree is done and our simple syrup is cooled down, I'm just going to scoop some out first into one of my measuring cups and pour it in. Because the skillet was really full, if I would have just poured it into the pitcher, it would have made a really big mess. So I'm just adding it little by little until I'm able to just pour it in with the skillet. And then I'm going to add my puree. After adding in all of your simple syrup, you're going to go ahead and add your strawberry puree, and you're going to stir that in. And then I also added a little bit of extra water just to get that stirred, because like I said, you don't want it to be too thick after you add the strawberry puree. So I'm going to stir that, and then I'm going to dip some out and put it into a cup so I can add my fruits. Because if I would have added my fruits right there, it would have been a mess. Now I'm adding my fruits, my lemons and strawberries that we chopped up earlier. And now I'm getting ready to add my Tito's, and we're going to stir that in. And there you have it, my strawberry lemonade with Tito's. Look at my cousin taking the first sip, child doing the ooh, it's so good dance. And that is it. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I post. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Let me know how yours turns out as well.